Oh, I see your beak. Oh, looking for some food. I hope he doesn't think my phone is Mama Bird coming to put a worm in his beak. One little guy's looking for dinner, lunch.
Whatever time it is right now.
Leaving his mouth open saying, feed me, feed me. They're all cuddled up together in their nest. Mama bird is right there, flying from tree to tree, saying, don't hurt my babies. Where'd she go?
But maybe she's trying to find food.
Here she comes.
She probably smells something good for the baby to eat or something. But she can't exactly tell where it is.
There she is. Good Mama Bird. Good Mama Bird. We won't hurt your babies. See, she's flying around. There she is. Saying, come on. Gotta feed my babies. Ah! That Mama Bird's coming right to us. Okay, Mama Bird, we're leaving. We're leaving. Your babies are hungry. We'll let you go feed your babies now.
Well, she has no food in her beak.
That's true. She probably dropped it telling us to go away. So, sorry, go ahead, Ellen.
No, your turn.
We're now in the house. And Mama Bird is still on that branch, making sure that we're gone so she can safely go see her babies.
Yep. She probably sees the camera, she thinks it's on.
You can go back to your babies now.
I wonder if they're gonna grow up like when you watch shows, like the babies come up when they're ready for food. Maybe they'll do that.
Yeah. Well, we're starting to be able to see the fluff coming up out of the nest.
Yeah.
So they're starting to fill that nest. Their feathers are growing. They're gonna need to fly soon. Not yet, but soon. It's okay, Mama Bird. You can go back to your babies now.
I bet they're gonna be cold.
Well, that's why she sits on them. She keeps them nice and warm.